welcome to this explainer. Okay, let's jump right in. Today, we're tackling something that hits close to home for a lot of folks, losing a tooth. And look, whether it's from a sudden accident, some decay, or gum disease, it is so much more than just a cosmetic issue, right? It literally messes with how you eat, how you speak, and honestly, how confident you feel just walking into a room. It changes your whole vibe. But here's the really good news. Modern dentistry has come a long way, like leaps and bounds. And today, we're going to break down the absolute best solutions out there, specifically focusing on what you can get done right now over in Nallakunta. Here's a quick look at our roadmap for this explainer. We're going to cover the missing tooth dilemma, compare implants to older options, check out those superior implant benefits, and then we'll dive into candidacy, local costs, the step-by-step procedure, and wrap it all up by answering your biggest questions. All right, Section 1, the missing tooth dilemma. So to really understand why dentists are raving about implants, we've got to look at how they're built. An implant isn't just a fake tooth glued in there. It's a complete replacement system. It's got 3 parts. First up, you have the titanium post. Think of this as your new artificial root that goes right into your jawbone. Then there's the abutment, which is basically a little connector piece. And finally, the custom crown, which is the part everyone actually sees. The real game changer here, unlike older fixes, this thing is completely self-supporting. It stands on its own 2 feet, well, its own post, anchored right into the bone, exactly like a natural tooth. Moving right along to Section 2, implants versus older options. We're actually seeing a ton of people in places like Nallakunta, Himayatnagar, and Murshidabad swapping out their old dental work for implants. And to get why, let's look at the alternatives. Take the classic dental bridge. As the name implies, it literally bridges the gap where your tooth used to be. It uses 2 crowns on the teeth next door to hold up a fake tooth, called a pontic, right in the middle. Now, bridges have been around forever, and yeah, they work. But, and this is a huge but, there's a pretty massive hidden cost. To put those supporting crowns in, your dentist actually has to grind down your perfectly healthy neighboring teeth. So you're literally damaging 2 good teeth just to fix 1. Make sense? Not really. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the side-by-side comparison. Look at the bone preservation. Implants actually stimulate your jawbone and keep it healthy. Bridges? Nope. So you keep losing bone under that gap over time, and like we just said, implants don't mess with your other teeth, while bridges require filing down the healthy ones. Then, think about the lifespan. An implant is going to last you 20+ years, very often your whole life. A bridge, you're probably looking at replacing that every 10 to 15 years. So sure, a bridge might be a bit cheaper up front, but when you look at the long-term value and your actual health, the implant just blows it out of the water. And what about dentures? That's the other old-school go-to, right? Well, they come with some major compromises too. Dentures are removable. They just kind of rest on your gums, and they can totally slip around when you're talking or eating. Plus, you have to take them out every day to clean them, and they do absolutely nothing to stop your jawbone from shrinking. Implants, on the other hand, give you fixed stability. You just brush them like normal teeth, they do not move, and they actively keep your jawbone strong. Honestly, dentures can feel pretty bulky and restrict your diet. Implants just feel like your own teeth. Which brings us to Section 3, the superior implant benefits. Because at the end of the day, this isn't really about dental hardware, you know? It's about getting your quality of life back. The perks here are just incredible. They protect your jawbone, and since the crown is custom made, it looks completely natural. Seriously, nobody's gonna know it's fake. It can last a lifetime, keeps your other teeth completely safe, and makes keeping your mouth clean super easy. But my absolute favorite benefit on this list? 0 diet restrictions. No way, I'm serious. You can bite right into sugarcane or crush a plate of biryani without a second thought. You just eat what you want when you want. Okay, let's look at Section 4, candidacy and local costs. Now, you might be wondering, am I actually a candidate for this? Well, most healthy adults are. Dentists locally are going to look for a few key things. You need enough jawbone density to hold the post, healthy gums without active disease, and your overall health conditions need to be under control. They also heavily prefer non-smokers, because smoking can actually mess with the implant fusing to the bone. Oh, and you've got to be committed to brushing your teeth. Now, if your jawbone density is a little low, don't stress. Local clinics offer bone grafting to build that foundation up before they even try to place the implant. And let's talk numbers, because I know you're wondering about the cost right here in Nallakunta and the broader Hyderabad area. For a basic single tooth implant, you're looking at somewhere between 25,000 and 40,000 rupees. If you want a premium or international brand, that single tooth bumps up to about 45 to 80,000. Need a full mouth all-on-4 reconstruction? That's going to range from 2.5 to 5 lakh rupees. And that bone grafting we mentioned, add on roughly 8 to 25,000. But here's the awesome part. Tons of Nallakunta clinics are now doing zero-cost EMIs and taking certain insurance plans, so it's actually way more accessible now without having to totally drain your savings up front.
All right, Section 5, the step-by-step procedure.
I know the word surgery can sound pretty intimidating, so let's completely demystify the black box of the dental chair right now. It's a super structured 6-step process. First, you get a consultation and an X-ray or CBCT scan to check out your bone. Second, they map out a custom treatment plan. Step 3 is the actual implant placement, just a minor procedure under local anesthesia to get that titanium post in. Then comes Step 4, which is kind of the magic phase, osseointegration. This is a 3 to 6 month healing period where that titanium actually fuses to your living bone. That's where that legendary stability comes from. Once you're all healed up, Step 5 is popping on the abutment connector, and finally, Step 6 is attaching your brand new permanent crown. It's safe, systematic, and highly successful. Which brings us to our final part, Section 6, answering your biggest questions. Let's tackle those lingering anxieties right now in a rapid-fire round. First up, the big one, the one that keeps people up at night. Are dental implants painful? The reality on the ground is probably going to surprise you. Because the whole thing is done under local anesthesia, you do not feel pain during the surgery itself. Actually, most patients say getting an implant placed is way less uncomfortable than having a tooth pulled in the first place. Afterwards, you're generally looking at maybe 2 to 3 days of mild soreness or a bit of swelling, but it's super easy to manage with basic prescribed pain meds. It is incredibly manageable. Okay, next question. If we're investing all this time and money, how long is this thing actually going to last? The short answer, 20 plus years. And honestly, very often for the rest of your life. That titanium root we talked about is designed to literally become part of your jaw permanently. The only thing you might eventually need to update is the visible crown on top, maybe after 15 or 20 years of chewing your favorite foods. But the foundation, that is a permanent fixture in your mouth. So, what about age or medical conditions like diabetes? This one stops so many folks from even booking a consultation. People worry, am I too old? Let me just clear this up right now. There is zero upper age limit for this. None. Dentists are putting implants in patients in their 70s and 80s every single day. The only real age restriction is for teenagers under 18 whose jawbones are still growing. What really matters is your bone density and your general health, not the year on your birth certificate. And as for things like diabetes or high blood pressure, as long as those conditions are well managed and under control, you are absolutely cleared for this life-changing procedure. And this all builds to one final, really provocative thought. Are you ready to stop compromising? Think about it. Dental implants are the gold standard because they literally hand you your life back. Your smile, your diet, your confidence, without all the annoying drawbacks of old-school bridges or dentures. And the craziest part is that world-class treatment for this is sitting right in your neighborhood in Nallakunta. So if you're dealing with a missing tooth, please don't just live with it. Go book a consultation with a local implantologist. Just have a chat and take that first step toward getting your smile back. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. And hey, here's to your health and your confidence.